In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Asana. If you're managing thesis milestones or juggling treasurer tasks, a few simple shortcuts can save you a surprising amount of time by letting you move around Asana without touching your mouse. Start by making sure you're inside Asana and looking at any project, list, or board. Shortcuts work best when your cursor isn't active inside a text field, so click on some blank space if needed. The first thing to learn is how to see the full cheat sheet at any time. Press Ctrl+/ on Windows while you're in Asana, and a complete list of available shortcuts will pop up. This is your built-in reference guide. Use it to remind yourself of combinations as you work, then press the same keys again or hit Escape to close it. Keeping this menu in mind makes it much easier to practice confidently. Next, jump into your personal command center with Tab+Z to go to My Tasks. This is where you'll see everything assigned to you in one place. For thesis milestones, it helps you scan upcoming deadlines and make sure research phases, drafts, and reviews are in the right order. For treasurer responsibilities, it's the fastest way to confirm which invoices, reimbursements, or approvals you need to handle today. Make a habit of visiting My Tasks frequently so nothing slips through the cracks. When you want to catch up on conversations and notifications, press Tab+I to go straight to your inbox. This is perfect for reviewing comments from your advisor or committee on key deliverables, and for staying on top of finance-related mentions, status updates, or handoffs. A quick visit here helps you respond promptly without digging through emails or clicking around different projects. Finally, when you need to find something specific, press Tab+/ to jump directly to the search bar. Type a keyword related to your thesis section, a budget category, or a task name, and you'll get results immediately. Consistent naming in your tasks makes this even more powerful because you'll surface exactly what you need without breaking your flow. That's it, just a handful of shortcuts to navigate the core areas you use every day. Open the cheat sheet with Ctrl+/ whenever you need a refresher, then move between My Tasks, your inbox, and the search bar using Tab+Z, Tab+I, and Tab+/. Practice these as you plan your week and you'll feel the speed boost almost right away.